Nick Rutter for the McKee's 37 Trademark Garage. Whether you wash your car once a week or once a year, I'm going to show you 3 innovative products that are going to make that process much easier. First and foremost, the foam gun. Now, there's 2 types of foam gun. There's one that hooks up to a garden hose, like I have here, which is the most popular. Then if you have a pressure washer, we have one of those too. The advantage of a foam gun is that you're going to reduce the chance of water spots. Plus, it provides better lubrication so you don't scratch your paint. What you do is fill the reservoir with water, add our special Extreme Foam Formula Auto Shampoo, and it blasts thick, frothy foam all over your vehicle. And the next is the Roadkill Bug Remover and the Roadkill Bug Scrubber. These 2 products remove pesky bug splatter before they have a chance to destroy your vehicle's delicate clear coat finish. Now this sponge, it starts off really dry and rough. That's normal. Soak it in a bucket of our Extreme Foam formula and it softens up. You spray the cleaner directly onto your paint and you gently scrub back and forth and you'll see the bug remains just melt off. Now last but certainly not least is Blue SiO2 Coating. After you've washed your vehicle, you spray it on, you rinse it off, and water will just fall off your paint. It'll be left slick, glossy, and well protected for up to 6 months in any environment.